We're going to learn colors with fun paint splashes. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at that. Our first color, red. R-E-D, red. Red is strong and exciting. I see red apples, red fire trucks, and beautiful red roses every day. Here comes a big splash of red paint. Splash! So bright. Can you say this color with me? 1, 2, 3, red. Great job. Let's sing our red song. Red, 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 apples are red, 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 fire trucks are red, 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 roses are red. You're amazing singers. Let's see what color comes next. Whoa! What color is this splash? Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue is calm and peaceful. The sky and the ocean are blue, and so are blue jeans and bluebirds. Here comes a big blue paint splash. Whoosh! Say it with me. Blue. Awesome. Time for our blue song. Blue, blue, blue. Sky, so true. Blue, blue, blue. The ocean is too. Blue, blue, blue. I love you. You're a superstar. Ready for the next color? Check out this bright splash. It's yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Yellow is like the shining sun. Bananas and baby chicks are yellow too. Peep, peep. Here comes a yellow splash. Splat. Shout it with me. Yellow. Let's sing. Yellow, yellow, shining bright. Makes the world so full of light. Yellow, yellow, shining bright. Like the sun that's oh so bright. A new color. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Green is the color of grass, trees, and nature. Frogs and many veggies are green too. Ribbit, ribbit. Here comes the green paint. Sploosh. Say it with me. Green. Let's sing. Green, green, green. Fresh and clean. Green, green, green. The grass is so green. What's this bright color? Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Orange is vibrant and full of energy. Pumpkins, carrots, and oranges are all orange. Here comes the orange paint. Splat. Say it with me. Orange. Let's sing. Orange, orange, so bright and sweet. Like a fruit that's fun to eat. Orange, orange, so bright and sweet. A pumpkin is an orange treat. Look at this magical color. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Purple is royal and creative. It reminds me of kings, queens, magic potions, grapes, and lavender. Here comes the purple splash. Splash. Say it with me. Purple. Let's sing. Purple, purple, royal hue. So many things are purple too. Purple, purple, royal hue. Grapes and lavender for me and you. Wow! We learned red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple. All these colors together make a rainbow. Let's say all the colors together. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple. You know all the colors of the rainbow. Now for the grand finale. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. Rainbow splash. Kaboom! Look at all those beautiful colors. You are officially a color expert. You're all color experts now. Remember, colors make our world beautiful and bright. See you next time for more learning fun.
Got this video, subscribe, press the bell icon and share on this video your family, friends and other WhatsApp groups. Thank you so much.